Artie McYarty here with another one. Hey folks, how are you all doing? Today, we're gonna spray and pray. This time, I'm introducing 3 products into my very own backyard. Yeah, that's right. So the main product is Green Punch by Greene County Farms. That one is the fertilizer, 1801. And it is jam-packed with some biostimulants such as sea kelp and humic. Second one is RGS, which has a little pinch of potassium and also some humic and sea kelp. And the third one is FOURPlay, which is packed with hydratane, potassium humate, which is a soil conditioner, and some non-ionic surfactant for the wetting agent. This will keep our lawn nice and hydrated. And the best part of all, we're going to be using the Yard Mastery backpack sprayer to do all this, along with the Flood Jet tip. That's the white tip. Alright, for Green Punch 1801 fertilizer, we're mixing in 16 ounces per 1,000. My backyard is about 2,500 square feet, so you got that right. I'm putting in about 2.5 gallons ratio of water to mix. FOURPlay is about 9 ounces per 1,000, so I did a couple cups for the entire backyard. Didn't need to go too crazy. And then for RGS, it was about 3 ounces per 1,000 at the low rate, and that's all I put in there was about 3 ounces per 1,000, so 9 total ounces. Just rounded up there. Alrighty, folks. Well, that's that. Don't forget to water in your product a good half an inch or so. I chose to hand water it and then flip the sprinklers on. There is no right or wrong, but just know that hand watering is very therapeutic.
Get you whatever you want, I'll settle for nothing, as long as we can keep the fire. I'll do whatever you do, follow you anywhere, if our chances are getting brighter. But I want you to know I can't help but fight this feeling. I want you to try. Imagine living